These are the Mlambert solar string lights. 30 feet outdoor, IP rated, waterproof. Globe string lights, shatterproof, patio strings with 4 lighting modes. 15 bulbs with 1 bulb extra. The hanging lights for garden, backyards, porches, and more in black. Everything nicely wrapped. We have an instruction guide on how to hook up and tips. We have the small bulbs. They are shatterproof. We have a stake with anchors and screws. We have the solar panel that you can simply unwrap. It says which way to hook up, the on and off switches, and it has to collect sun all day in order for it to work. As the bulbs unwrapped, we're going to go now hang this up outside and show you what it looks like. We have an on and off switch, and we have a mode switch, and we're going to turn the unit on with the solar power down so we can show you mode 1, mode 2, which is a on and off, mode 3, which is a rapid on and off, and mode 4, which is a double flicker on and off, and mode 1 is back to constant on. And then you can shut it off. If you hit the mode button, it won't go on unless you hit the on button. And if you're on the rapid flash and you hit the mode button, it shuts off, and it'll start back up on the rapid flash. When daylight hits dusk to dawn, these will turn on and shut off at daylight and goes back on at nighttime. This is a stake. You can mount it like so, or you could have 2, 3 holes and use the hardware mounted on the wall. On the string and the bulb, there is a clip so you can clip it onto things, and you cannot continue on with future kits. This is a 1 kit only. 30 feet, enough to hang up. We're going to unattach the unit by taking off. It's a solid IP rated plug, and go hang up our lights and keep this in the sun so it could rejuvenate. On those nasty days, if you need to charge this, you can do so via the charger port. We have our 30-foot solar string lights hooked up. If we need to adjust anything, we can, like so. And we can test out our system again by hitting the on and off and choosing what we want. So it could come on during the nighttime. And we want this to light on solid. So we'll come out in the evening hours and we'll check them out. We have the solar panel string lights, 30 feet. We have 3 modes: solid, on and off, and rapid flicker. And then a flicker, and then back to the solid. These are 3 volts. They can be hung up on the gazebo, backyard. Take them with you to a picnic area, wherever you need to have a string light. I hope you enjoy your string lights wherever you use them.